In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlink in Adobe Acrobat. If you want to make part of your PDF clickable, Adobe Acrobat makes that process very simple. Adding a hyperlink is useful when you want readers to visit a website directly from your document, and it can make your PDFs look more professional and interactive. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat and load the PDF file you want to edit. Make sure you're in the correct document before making any changes, especially if you're working with multiple files at once. Once your PDF is open, go to the part of the page where you want the hyperlink to appear. Click and highlight the section you want to turn into a link. This could be a word, a phrase, or another visible area on the page. Try to select the exact portion you want users to click, because that selected area will become the interactive link in the final PDF. After highlighting the right section, click on Edit or Format Text. This is where Acrobat gives you options for modifying the selected content. If you don't immediately see the option, take a moment to look through the editing tools available in the current panel. The goal here is to access the text editing controls for the selected area. Next, click on Add Link. This tells Adobe Acrobat that you want the highlighted section to become clickable. Once you choose this option, Acrobat will prompt you to assign a destination for the link. Now type in the URL you want the hyperlink to open. Be careful to enter the web address correctly, because even a small typo can stop the link from working properly. It's a good idea to double check the full address before moving on, especially if the link is important for customers, students, or anyone receiving the PDF. When everything looks correct, click Save. This will apply the hyperlink to your document and preserve the changes you've made. Saving right away is important so you don't lose your work. After saving, it's always a smart idea to test the link in the PDF to make sure it opens the correct web page and behaves the way you expect. That quick check can help you catch any mistakes before you share the file, and that's how to add a hyperlink in Adobe Acrobat. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very fast and easy, and it's a great way to make your PDFs more useful and more user-friendly.